Be iconic, be a revolution. Alam mo, in-email sa akin mismo ng County of Los Angeles Department of Medical Examiner. March 8 pa nangyari yung namatay na isa sa entourage ni Liza Tanas. Marami nang lumabas na balita doon. The last time na nag-update ako sa inyo dyan ay March na nag-email sa akin ang Beverly Hills Police. So nakalagay dito, kung matatandaan ninyo, ang sabi dito, Dear Claire, this letter is in response to your California Public Record Act CPRA submitted March 13, 2025, requesting any records from an incident that may have occurred on March 8, 2025 in Beverly Hills. The Beverly Hills Police Department has determined that the request in part seeks copies of public records in BHPD's possession. The records you are requesting are part of an investigatory file, a record pertaining to an investigation by law enforcement under CPRA Government Code Section number 792.600 exempts and therefore does not require the disclosure of any records complaints to or investigations conducted by any local police agency or any investigatory or security files compiled by any local police or law enforcement purposes. Meaning, hindi nila dinisclose sa akin kung ano nangyari. Pero hindi tayo tumigil, sumulat ako. Actually, binayaran ko to. Nakalimutan ko na kung 30 plus ba. Para mga below $50 ata yung binayaran ko dito. Sinend nila sa akin. At ito and the result is in. This result, ayan, County of Los Angeles. Dito naman, hindi galing sa police. Nag-request tayo sa coroner's office. Ayan po yan Okay, Department of Los Angeles, Department of Medical Examiner. Ngayon, mga kababayan, ang sabi dito, County of Los Angeles, Department of Medical Examiner. Dear Sir, Madam, the County of Los Angeles, Department of Medical Examiner Records Section is in receipt of your request. Unfortunately, the autopsy report that you requested is currently pending and not ready to be released. Okay? Pending pa rin ang autopsy report. Ngayon, salansanin natin mamaya kung bakit pending pa rin. Once the case is closed and the report finalized, including additional test, toxicology. Okay? Toxicology yan, titignan yung blood and yung urine sample kung siya ba ay positibo sa ipinagbabawal na boom, boom, boom. O ipinagbabawal na pulburon. Sabi dito, once the case is closed and the report finalized including additional test result, toxicology, microscopic, etc. Ang microscopic naman, yung heart, kidney, yung mga organs. Diba? Titignan nila kung may mga foul play ba dyan, may failure ba, or may heart attack or whatever. Kung mayroon bang natural cause of death, or sa toxicology naman, kung talagang siya ay pinalaklak ng ipinagbabawal na, alam mo na yon. So sabi dito, I apologize for any inconvenience that this may cause. If you have questions or need additional information, please call our record section 323-343-0695. Respectfully yours, respectfully, Daisy Cervantes. Daisy Hinojosa Cervantes. Hindi ko alam kung anong lahi to. On behalf of Vanessa Gastelum, Chief Public Service Division, County of Los Angeles. Ang nakalagay dito sa isang page, kasi dalawang page, no? So nakalagay dito sa likod, okay, State of California, County of Los Angeles, in the matter of the death, okay, of the medical, of the death of, okay, the medical examiner of the County of Los Angeles certifies that on the ninth day, okay, ito 9th day nakalagay, on the 9th day of March 2025, in accordance with the law, he inquired into the circumstances surrounding the death of the above-mentioned person, caused an examination and identification to be made of the body and found in the deceased was named. Oh, so kung ang Beverly Hills Police, tama ba? Ang Beverly Hills Police ay dumating ng March 8, yung reported nila, sa coroner's office the next day pa. Kasi nakalagay dito on the 9th day, ayan yung result. Okay? May pangalan. Ayan, nakita nyo. Okay? Now, here we go. Ang sabi dito, kasi public record to eh. Pag public record, ibibigay sa inyo, ay sa, sa mga nagre-request. Alam mo, ito lang kagandahan sa Amerika. Hindi po pwede na, kung sa Pilipinas to nangyari, hindi ka bibigyan, kukontrolin nila yung information. Pero dito kasi, karapatan yan, freedom of information. Sabi dito, although may ganyan din sa atin, pero nakokontrol yung freedom of information. Sabi dito, a male, age about 44 years, that he came to his death on the 8th day of March 2025. Okay, yung body, kinuha pala ng coroner's office, ng medical examiner, the next day na. So ngayon, alam na natin. Diba? Nakinabukasan pa pala napunta sa kanila. Hotel, nakalagay hotel, 9876 Wilshire Boulevard, Beverly Hills, California, 9210, Los Angeles County, California, and that was caused by pending further medical examination. So, doon sa Beverly Hills Police, yung pinakita ko sa inyo na March 2013, yung pinakita kong dokumento sa inyo kanina sa email ko, hindi nila maibigay, pero under the same thing naman, it's under investigation, March 25. Magtataka ka kung bakit hanggang ngayon, ang tagal-tagal ng autopsy report. Tandaan niyo ang involved dito si Liza Tanas. Kasama ni Liza Tanas yung namatay. Isa sa mga entourage niya, 'di ba? Na suspected na pwedeng, base dito sa report ay may toxicology. Well, standard kasi yan yung toxicology report. 'Di ba? Tingnan niyo yung yung kanyang what do you call it? Urine and blood kung meron na itong Coca-Cola and everything. So ngayon, mga palangga, bakit ang tagal nitong toxicology test na ito? Okay? Kasi dito tayo magkakaalaman kung siya ba ay, dahil may mga, sabi nga ng ating sabi ng ating informante, nung unang-una kong nilabas yan, ay na-over-D. Pero magtataka ka ngayon, dahil it's been March, April, May, June, July. 4 months na. Pero usually kasi, ang standard yan, kahit yung mga medical practitioner dito, 6 to 12 weeks lang yan. Lalabas na ang result. 'Di ba? Pero kasi nga ito ay high profile case. Ngayon, napag-alaman natin, talagang ito ay merong ginagapang ang mga bangag dito. May ginagapang sila dito sa Amerika na ayaw na niyong malaman. But again, sabi ko nga, long overdue na ito. 4 months na. Gaano ba kakomplikado yung resulta nitong autopsy report na ito? Pero usually nga, mabilis lang itong result na ito palanggaan. Kaso lang, 48 years. Mukhang baka may inaayos pa itong mga bangag na ito. Kasi yung pag-check nila dito sa liver, heart, lung, o kung ano man yan, natapyas ba yung lung niya, o ano man, dapat ngayon nasa na ito, na ngayon nasa public na ito. Meron bang damage yung kanyang organ, yung kanyang system? Ano ba talagang cause ng kanyang ikinamatay? Kasi he's 40 years old. At bago siya, ay 40 plus, 44. So bago siya namatay, nakitang masayang-masaya pa and everything.